Good afternoon. Today I'm going to make chili in the quick pot pressure cooker. Should take about 30 minutes, cook time, and then let it cool till it releases its pressure. This should serve 6 to 9 people. 3 pounds of ground beef, got 1 large onion. I have a bowl of spices here. Coriander, sea salt, red pepper flakes, chili powder, sugar, and cumin. Got red beans, black beans, navy beans, crushed tomatoes, cup of beef broth, and some mini sweet peppers just to throw some color in there, and cornbread. Gonna put this on saute. I have beef in the window. Preheat. I'll put grapeseed oil in there to brown the meat. This is the beef and the onions. Saute the beef and onions till the beef is browned. This is 10 minutes after sauteing. I'm gonna put the spices in. I'm only gonna cook this for a minute or two. Everything's incorporated. I'm turning off pressure cooker. Now I'm gonna add the beans, the broth, crushed tomatoes. Put the peppers in. Everything is incorporated. Time to put the lid on. It's locked. Everything's lined up on closed. This pressure cooker I have is a 10 quart. I don't know if you could do 3 pounds of beef in a 6 or an 8. This thing came out about 3/4 of the way full. So adjust yours accordingly. The screen turned blue, which now means that it's not a high pressure, but I still have to let the steam out, and we'll see how this comes out. There's the finished product. 1 hour, cooked on medium, 25 minutes, rest to relieve the pressure. I let the steam out, and then open the lid. Oh, I wish you could smell it in here because, oh, this smells so good. Wow. All right. Now we need to do a taste test. It's a little too hot right now. I'll have to put it in a bowl, let it cool off. Okay, got the chili, got the cornbread. Here we go. Wow, that's really good. It's got a little heat to it. When I make this again, I think I'll cut back on the red pepper flakes. I think the 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes put a little extra heat in this. The beans are done. And the flavor is really good. The instructions were a fail. Instructions said to cook this on the beef setting for 30 minutes. 30 minutes did not cook the beans. I ended up cooking this for a total of 1 hour and then 25 minutes for it to depressurize to let the steam out. With the 1 hour on medium, the beans are a very good tenderness. I give them a thumbs up. Now that I approve with the bear taste test, I have to put vinegar in my chili. Ever since I was a kid, I was raised on putting vinegar in my chili. Why? Maybe because everybody else in my family did it, but it's good, and I always do it. Ah, and that's killer chili right there. Gotta have that little splash of vinegar. And it could use a little bit more salt. I cut back on the salt. I was supposed to put 2 tablespoons of salt. I put 1. I've had food that's too salty, and you can't take back the salt once you put it in. I'd rather have people have to add salt to the dish and be like, ooh, that's terrible, and just eat it even though they hate it. So I would put a little more salt in it the next time I make it. That is really good. And I'm glad I made a big pot of that because I'll be taking this for lunches for the next couple days. Got my cornbread. Got another video on how to make killer cornbread that doesn't stick to the pan. The chili recipe was delicious. I would maybe cut back on the red pepper flakes and increase the cook time. The directions fell short on a half hour. They said 30 minutes for the dried beans to cook. It took an hour for those to come out to where they are delicious. Well, I hope you have success with your Power Quick Pot. Thanks for watching.